Got my ignition switch. Okay guys, I didn't record this, but while that plug was up in there, I was able to use this pick and to go into here, depress this on one side, and then while that was held in, I was pulling it out with the hook. So that popped right out on both sides, although this side did break. But you can see, look at that, you can see why that ignition switch is toast. Okay, so I'm supposed to put in some kind of like screwdriver or something to get this thing out. I might have to, okay, I have to pull that loose, that whole cluster thing. Okay, I just had to squeeze the pins from both sides to release it from that bracket right there. And now I'm gonna try and pull that whole end piece out. Okay, let's see if this new ignition switch worked. Yes! All right, guys, that's awesome. It's another success story for today, and we got new parts on the way, so stay tuned.